Strawser Nature's Helpers has partnered with Brodhead Watershed Association to start to begin to eradicate Japanese knotweed along Mill Creek. Japanese knotweed is just an invasive herbaceous plant, and it grows along the stream banks, and basically you can see behind me, it just grows and monopolizes and takes hold and doesn't let anything else grow. So all of our native plants get crowded out.
And how do we go about eradicating the knotweed?
Well, Japanese knotweed, what we found, really is a prolific spreader. So what you want to do is start it at the headwaters, start your eradication up at the headwaters or the top of the stream that feeds into the bigger streams, and work your way down. We cut it in late June, early July, knee height, and then we come back in September and we spray the end of September, early October, and we spray it with a Roundup type product called Rodeo, which it's a fish safe product. Brodhead Watershed Association, I mean, they basically support the rivers and streams and lakes and in this area. They're for the water, and so we work with them, and it's helping protect our waterways in the Poconos. For more information, you can contact us at Strawser Nature's Helpers, Robin at Strawser Nature's Helpers, or Brodhead Watershed Association, and we can gladly walk you through the process, and we can give you some more information and give you the help that you might need to try to eradicate it on your property or to develop an initiative in your neighborhood.